Get noticed in this 2003 Nissan Frontier. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive driven by an automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an alarm system, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.